I called my grandma today, and it was my first time talking to her since I've been here.
My roommates make me smile.
Breakfast made me smile.
Being here makes me smile.
Be Well was created to provide comprehensive care for the physical, emotional, and social health of our SCAD family.
I make sure I make time for my friends. My support system is how I keep my motivation, my sanity.
I like the gym here because it's really non-judgmental. Be Well gives me a safe space.
I get fueled up in a positive way through social interaction, and that is always fulfilling to me.
Whether you're looking for group or individual counseling, workshops, or simply a non-judgmental atmosphere, Be Well is a safe and confidential source for you.
Be well! Be well!